holiday activities that I have out. I did a separate video on that, so go ahead and check that out. I'll link that below. Right now I introduced her recently to primary colors. So red, yellow, and blue, and she's learning how mixing the colors can make a new color. Actually, Picasso tiles. The cool thing about these Picasso tiles is you can look through and you can see the color that it makes. So if I put red and yellow together, you can look through and it makes orange. And then if you put blue and yellow together, it makes green. You can actually look through it and you can see the different color that it makes. So I have this little activity for her to lay out and show what the different colors make. So that's pretty cool about the Picasso tiles. And then over here, we just have a little spelling puzzle. I just picked a few cards with some of the letter sounds that she's working on or she knows. So dog, she'll just put this here and she has to find the letters to spell the word. And so she tries to find them and spells the word. So just kind of a different way to work on her letter sounds. And we have her sandpaper letter work available as well. Here we just have a tape measure and she is just practicing kind of going around and measuring things. Like she'll measure her shelf, she'll measure her table. She just measures different things and it's kind of getting the idea of measurement. Here is just a simple shape puzzle. Here it's from Love Every, but she hasn't mastered this yet. She's still working on that. Puzzles are not I wouldn't say one of her favorite things right now. So I'm trying to entice her with different puzzles, but it's not one of her favorite things right now. Here I have a lacing card, and she really loves this work. She's still working on lacing. I have a few of them, so I'll just switch these out, and she really enjoys doing this. And then just a basket of our animals. This is a fun little game. It works on numbers and colors, and it's a fine motor activity. So you roll the dice, it lands on 3, and the color is purple. To put in 3 purple cupcakes. Just use these and tong in 3 purple cupcakes. So she really likes this. It's fun. There's different ways to play this. There's these as well. You can place these in here. Multiple ways to play with this. This is just a fun way to kind of just reinforce working on her number recognition. And I believe that's everything new that we have out. These were in another video. I just have these in here for my son because he'll come in here sometimes. I have to watch him in here because there's a lot of things he can get into, but this is something he can play with. I keep her emotion pegs here so she can come and identify how she's feeling. Russian doll stacker, but it's animals, so this is really cute. And here we just have the non-Montessori things. My daughter likes Barbies and ponies. So over here, I just have kind of like a little setup for her. She's not really playing with her animal figurines that much, so I kind of just set them up here. I made a little play space for her. These are some stacking rocks. She likes these little tea lights. They're battery powered. And kind of just set this up how she wants to. Hi. And she likes those little tea lights. And then just down here we store her Love Every little playhouse. And this, actually my son really likes this as well. He'll come and take this out and play with this. A little camper and everything. This table is a kid craft table, but I got it for 20 bucks off Marketplace because I knew it was going to be used for art. So I don't really care if this thing gets scuffed up. Here she has free access to these art materials. I usually just lay out a big old thing of paper for her and she can make her pictures and do anything she wants to. She can color pencils, markers, crayons, her cutting strips, stamps, chalk, paint pens. Down here is glue and watercolors, and that's all we have. And then her Play-Doh kit down here.